Today I'm using the Garrett GTI 1500. 7.2 kilohertz, and the GTI stands for Graphic Target Imaging. In association with the core, that will actually tell you the size and the depth of the object. The Garrett 1500 has an awful lot of features. This is more suitable for the more experienced detectorist. Let me just scroll through the menu and show you what I mean. Gone into the moods. Look at the different moods you've got: coin, jewellery, relics, zero, custom. If we carry on, you've got the sensitivity, threshold, frequency, volume, tone, salt elimination. This means you can use this on the beach. And your bell tone for when you're going over the target. And backlight, which you don't need, and the battery, where there's rechargeables, and the condition. With this amount of sophistication, I'm not saying that a beginner couldn't use this machine, but this is more suitable for those more experienced detectorists. We're going to take it over the test bed and see how it does. We'll start with the Roman Minim first. Two-way signal. Two-way signal on the Denarius. Likewise on the Thimble. Also the penny iron. You can actually discriminate the iron out very easily on this machine. But one thing I will say, although we call it a test bed, all we're trying to show you is how easy the machine can pick it up and the different signals you're going to get. Obviously, we could bury the stuff deeper if we tweak the machines up more. But this is just a standard little example for you. I'd like to give you a short demonstration of the recovery speed of the Garrett GTI 1500. We've got the nail and we've got the hammered coin. Right, with the cut half, the sort of signal you normally get is this. But we're going to run over the nail first. We want to find out how long it takes for the machine to recover from the nail to be able to register the hammered coin. So just go at your normal sweep speed and just go across. I'll try it again. Move it slightly further apart. We're now getting it. Once we got it, which isn't enough. Sweep and sweep. Once. Give it a bit more. Sweep and sweep. That's better. Each time now. That's the Garrett GTI 1500.